Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI for Code, your intelligent coding assistant and debugger. Imagine having a super smart coding friend who's always ready to help you write, fix, and understand code. That's what AI for Code is all about. As a developer, this isn't about replacing you, but empowering you to build amazing things faster and with fewer headaches. It's like having a seasoned developer looking over your shoulder, offering suggestions and catching mistakes before they become big problems. One of the coolest things AI can do is help you write code. Have you ever used predictive text on your phone? AI coding assistants are similar, but for programming languages, based on what you've already written or even just a comment explaining what you want. The AI can suggest lines of code, complete functions, or even generate entire small scripts. It learns from millions of code examples to guess what you're trying to do next. Bugs are a developer's constant challenge. AI can act like your personal code detective. When your program isn't working, AI can analyze your code, spot potential errors, suggest fixes, or even explain why an error is occurring. Think of it like a super advanced spell checker, but for logical errors and syntax issues in your code, helping you find those tricky bugs much faster than sifting through lines yourself. Good code isn't just about making it work. It's about making it clean, efficient, and easy for others, and your future self, to understand. AI can help here too. It can suggest ways to refactor your code, meaning restructuring it without changing its external behavior, to make it cleaner, more performant, or easier to read. It's like having a professional editor who takes your rough draft and makes it clearer, shorter, and more impactful. Ever looked at a piece of code written by someone else, or yourself a year ago, and had no idea what it does? AI can be your translator. It can take complex code and explain its functionality in plain language. Some AI tools can even generate documentation for your code automatically, saving you precious time and helping others quickly grasp your project. It's like having a universal translator for programming languages. You might be wondering, how does AI know all this? In simple terms, these AIs are trained on a colossal amount of existing code from the internet, think billions of lines of code. They learn patterns, common programming practices, and how different pieces of code typically fit together. You don't need to be an AI expert to use these tools. Just know that they've read almost every programming book and seen countless code examples, making them incredibly knowledgeable assistants. Ready to try it out? Popular AI coding assistants include GitHub Copilot, Tabnan, and even enhanced features within your integrated development environment, like VS Code's IntelliSense, which is a simpler form of AI assistance. These tools often integrate directly into your existing coding environment, providing suggestions right as you type. It's as easy as installing a plugin and letting the AI start helping you immediately. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, not a replacement for your brain. Always review and understand the code AI generates or suggests. It can sometimes make mistakes, generate inefficient code, or even produce insecure code. Your critical thinking and understanding of the problem you're solving are still essential. Think of AI as a super-powered calculator. It gives you answers quickly, but you still need to know what problem you're solving and verify the result. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.